Don't have an ironing table? You can still get your clothes perfectly neat at home. Let me show you how. Most people think you need an ironing board to iron properly, but that's not always true. What you need is just a flat, firm surface like a table, your bed, or even a clean floor. Just make sure the surface is covered with a thick cloth or towel. Lay your clothes flat and smooth out the wrinkles with your hand first. Step 2. Set your iron to the right height depending on the fabric. Step 3. Now press gently and move slowly in one direction. Don't rush it. Slow movement gives better results. Step 4. For a stubborn wrinkles, go over it again lightly. Wait, don't stop watching till you see the final results. Look at that, smooth and neat, just like using an ironing table. If your surface is too soft, place a book or a hard object underneath for a better support. So you really don't need an ironing table to get a neat clothes at home. Would you try this method? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative video like this. Your girl Okatina signing out. See you.